What's going on? So today we got a video from Arrested on Cam, and the title of the video is Furious Man Arrested at Police Station After Released from Jail. So let's get into it, man. Come on, man. You just got out and you want to go back already?
How can I help you? So we can't release anything that went into evidence, even if it's for safekeeping. You have to schedule an appointment with our evidence technician.
Dude, I need my wallet, my phone, my ID.
I don't have access to it. We don't have access to any of that stuff. Once it goes in evidence, the evidence technician.
Evidence for what?
Because it's for safekeeping. It all goes into an evidence locker.
So how do I live without my phone and my wallet, my ID?
You start by not getting arrested. That's a good start.
Well, that's in the past, so I have to move forward.
Okay, so like I said, none of us have access to those things.
Okay, who has access?
The evidence tech. He's going to be here tomorrow.
What you'll have to do is you'll have to call.
You have to call and schedule an appointment with him.
And you have to schedule an appointment.
I have nothing for the night. My money, my phone, no numbers.
That was in the past, but you made decisions in the past that have gotten you to the point where you're at.
Dude, you guys have my shit. I was released from jail, bailed out. Give me my stuff.
We can't.
You can't. You have to schedule an appointment.
How the fuck is that?
Just explained it. We just explained it. It's
Honestly, I can understand his frustration. Honestly, like that should not be the process. You know, when you get released, you should be able to get your stuff back. It shouldn't be, oh, no tomorrow, and oh, this person called in sick, so he ain't here, and this and no. There should be somebody on the shift or whatever. When I get released from jail, I get bonded out or I get whatever, I should be able to get the property that you took me into jail with my property at the same time. I should get released from jail with my property at the same time. I can understand his frustration.
It's only during business hours it's going to be retrieved.
The evidence technician works 9 to 5, Monday through Friday.
So be here at 9 a.m.
Sure.
Yes. Yep.
I don't know if he'll be able to give you your stuff right then. Normally it's on an appointment scheduling basis.
So you can call.
Well, if he doesn't get here till 9, how can I call and make an appointment till 9?
You can't.
So call
Right,
at 9 and make
right.
an appointment.
Call with what? You have my phone,
Show
asshole.
up here at 9.
So show up at 9.
That's what I just said.
Okay.
Okay.
Have a good one.
You guys enjoy this? You know, the police used to help people.
We tried to.
I went to that fucking hospital
I'm
to get sober, and then I wake up in jail.
Dude,
Charges.
you fucking came at me.
I don't remember anything, dude.
Well, that's not my fucking
our
fault.
fault.
That's
I'm not
his
saying
fault.
it is, but it's
Okay.
your fault that you have my stuff now.
No, it's
No,
not.
that's
That's actually
definitely
your
You can't
fault.
leave it
The
there.
decisions you made.
You got arrested. We couldn't leave it there. We have to take it so no one steals it.
Right, you have to take it. So give it to me.
We can't. It's in a locker.
I'm not the evidence tech.
Call
None
your
of us
fucking
are.
supervisor.
He's right
Oh,
there.
perfect.
Let me speak to him.
Okay. He's not going to get it for you either.
Let me speak to him.
Yes, sir.
Dude, I get bailed out of jail, and I have no access to my ID, my phone, my money, nothing. And you're telling me I have to come back tomorrow at 9 a.m. to make an appointment to get my stuff back that you took?
Yes.
What am I supposed to do tonight?
I don't know.
And you don't give a shit.
It's not that I don't give a shit. What option do I have for you? It is our policy. We can't bring bags into the jail per the jail policy. We have to bring them
That's
back here and
fine.
secure the
They're
property.
here. Now give them to me.
It's not how it works, which I've been listening to them describe to you and explain to you.
How does it work?
I'm not an evidence technician. I am a sergeant. These are officers. We are not evidence people. It gets submitted.
Call
to
them
evidence-
up.
It's not how it works.
Banker's hours?
Leave.
Oh, I'm leaving.
Leave.
You're worthless. You get paid way too much
Leave.
for a
You
shit
can
job.
come back on Monday at 9 a.m.
I will.
and
I'll be
schedule an
here.
appointment. But right now you need to leave.
Yeah, I'll be here.
Right now you need to leave.
Thank you, buddy.
Have a great night, sir.
Go jerk off somewhere else. My dad was a state trooper.
That's great.
And he puts you pieces of shit to shame.
That's great.
You're doing the name of real good service.
People used to help people.
You want to come back over here, you can go to jail. I'm not the one. You dealt with them last night, you can deal with me today.
I don't remember last night.
Walk.
I went to the hospital to get help.
Bruh, this is not right. No, bro. This is not right, bro. This is not right. This is messed up. He's walking away. It's public property. He's on public property. Like, what? The sergeant or whoever goes and runs over to him. This is not right, bro. This is not right, bro. I knew that sergeant had a attitude problem, the way that he just puffed his chest up. You know, I'm not against guys being stern. You know what I'm saying? But I feel like he ain't had to, like, you know, all of that. You could be stern and direct without, like, stepping forward, raising your voice and all of that. Like, you know what I mean? The guy is frustrated. He can't get his stuff. You know, I understand it.
We have to bring them back
That's
here.
fine.
And secure the
They're
property.
here. Now give them to me.
It's not how it works, which I've been listening to them describe to you and explain to you.
How does it work?
I'm not an evidence technician. I am a sergeant. These are officers. We are not evidence people. It gets submitted.
Pull
to
them
evidence.
up.
It's not how it works.
Banker's hours?
Leave.
Oh, I'm leaving.
Leave.
You're worthless. You get paid way too much
Leave.
for a
You
shit
can
job.
come back on Monday at 9 a.m.
I will.
and
I'll be
schedule an
here.
appointment. But right now you need to leave.
Yeah, I'll be here.
Right now you need to leave.
Thank you, buddy.
Have a great night, sir.
Go jerk off somewhere else. My dad was a state trooper.
That's
And he
great.
puts you pieces of shit to shame.
That's great.
See, he didn't like all of that. You know what I'm saying? The jerk off and this and that. He ain't like it. But, nah, you know, it is what it
In
is.
the name of real good service.
People used to help people.
He's still walking away. He can do that. He can talk.
You want to come back over here, you can go to jail. I'm not the one. You dealt with them last night, you can deal with me today.
I don't remember last
Walk.
night. I went to the hospital.
He's still walking away. Look, he's backing up. This ain't right, bro. This is fucked up.
Why are you arresting me? Get out of fucking back, bitch! I didn't do anything! Behind your back, stop resisting! I can't even my hand behind your back, stop resisting! Dude, watch the thumb! Why are you arresting me? What did I do now? I came to get my belongings?
They got attitude
You guys
problems.
are garbage!
I don't know how many warnings he had to give you.
I was walking away!
Stop trying to move.
Dude!
Stop.
What the fuck? You guys are scumbags. You really live like this and treat people like this.
That's messed up. This is messed up.
I came to get my fucking belongings. You piece of shit. How do you function without your wallet, your phone, your cash? Huh? I bet you can. You can get off of me
No,
now,
I'm not
dude.
going to get off you. This is what you do. And the second we let you up, you start doing it again. So you're going to wait.
I just tried to come get my belongings. The lady told me to come back at 6. If she was lying, why did she tell me to make an appointment for tomorrow?
Well, this is...
That's her fault, not mine. She said come back at 6. You're fucking stupid liaison. Behind the wall. She told me to come here at 6 to get my stuff.
I understand that, sir, and we explained to you that you needed to make an appointment.
She should have told me that. Don't
Yeah,
you
but he
think?
was still walking away.
Who you talk to, sir?
The only bitch behind the wall now on the phone.
Well, those are dispatchers, but they're not law enforcement officers.
Oh, that's another excuse. Pass the buck. Yeah, sure.
It's not passing the buck, they're just
Sure it is. Oh, we don't have evidence. We can't give you your stuff. This and that, everything else.
I don't care. Just put them in a car.
No, I know.
I want to know what the
You guys
charge
have
is.
nothing better to do but fuck with people. You're in a rich town, making too much money, no life.
I think you just have a little too much hatred against the world.
No,
You know, because you showed up here angry, and guess what? You're going to jail angry.
I came here to get my stuff.
Angry. And guess where that got you? Nowhere.
You would have got me nowhere. It doesn't matter. You told me I had to make an appointment for
I
tomorrow.
don't know how many cops it needs to tell you to explain to get your stuff back at a scheduled time. I
She
mean,
said 6 o'clock. That's what she told me. You're employed.
Yep. Sorry.
Yeah,
Yep. And what did we tell you? Like 15
you told me
times?
tomorrow.
Yep. and you couldn't get that.
And I'm walking away, and then you tackle me.
Sure.
Yeah.
That's facts.
Nope, you kept turning around.
Oh, fuck you.
You kept stopping.
You're gonna repay. It's all right. Every thought, word, and deed is collected by Jesus. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Oh, did you need to hold me down?
Well, yeah, that's why I was,
I don't
right?
think you did.
Roll over.
Can you get up on your own, or do you need help?
Yeah, you guys fucked me all up. For no fun.
Give him this car.
This car? Are you sure? This one? Really?
I would definitely lawyer up.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
That's ridiculous.
He'd come back tomorrow, and this
Hey.
all would have been avoided.
For your cuts or anything, do you want fire rescue?
Yeah.
Okay.
You just pushed my face into the
Good.
fucking cement for no reason.
Good. Good.
Don't feel like hearing him talk.
I don't know what the fuck's going on. I came here to pick up my shit, just to be left alone. Okay? He can see them, I can't.
Well, it doesn't look like you need to go to the hospital. To be honest with you. What do you? There's no reason to go to the hospital. There's just a couple scratch, like a scratch.
No, it's nothing. I'd like my stuff and be released.
Okay, well then hop back in. That's it.
Where are we going? What are we doing?
Sit back down.
Take a seat.
I'm asking you a question. Are you taking me to jail?
Yep, swing your feet in.
What are you charging me with?
Sit down, swing your feet in.
What are you charging me with?
Swing your feet in.
What are you charging me with? What the fuck? You gotta tell me what you're charging me with.
He got arrested last night for assault Leo when he came one of the officers. We arrested him for multiple things. He came back just now to try to get his stuff from when he was arrested. We explained we couldn't. He refused to leave the property. He resisted us again, so we had to throw him to the ground and wrestle with him. And he just has like some minor, like a little cut here and a cut underneath his shirt. So
Yeah, but it's public property. I mean, there's no like trespass after warning and then you go and assault. You ran up to him to assault him and take him to the ground. This is messed up, bro. This is real
he
messed
just looked,
up.
and he goes, "No, I'm fine. I don't want anything." He's not back in the car.
He's asking the charges. You know why they won't give him the charges? Because they don't even know what they're gonna charge him with yet. Sometimes they lock you up and they decide the charges afterwards.
There's no fine. Don't worry about him. So I said, "Okay." And we had to fight him just to get back in the car just now. So
Heard that, so we're not gonna take it. Heard that.
Wait, hold on.
Today I want to share with
No. We don't need to know no secret how to grow. What are the charges? This gotta be in the description. Not in the description or nothing. What are the charges? What are you charging him with? Oh God, this is crazy. That's insane. That's insane. I would be lawyered up so fast, bro. I don't see what he did wrong. I really don't. If he did do something wrong, it definitely doesn't warrant the outcome. The cops ran across. They sprinted 25 yards to go tackle this guy as he's walking away. He can say what he want to do. He can give you gestures, whatever. Listen, I'm not a police hater. You know what I'm saying? I'm definitely pro law enforcement. But right is right and wrong is wrong. And this is wrong. You were mad. The sergeant was mad because of the gesture that he did and that he was talking spicy. Oh well, it is what it is.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.